what have you. So the AMP Center is really focusing on test beds. SUNY-Poly is focusing on the test beds, using our industrially compliant facilities, using our research labs, using our data and data assets, combined with SEMI's focus on bringing the industry together, focusing it on standards and developing the common vision for data science, and I'll let David talk about that aspect of it.
Yeah, so SEMI is really investigating the use of big data and artificial intelligence to improve the semiconductor manufacturing process from end to end. What we've seen in the industry is we have data on everything. In a fab, we collect data from every aspect of the facility and the tool set itself, from the process all the way through. But that's really looked at in isolation. The equipment manufacturers in developing new tools and new processes do the same with their equipment. Data exists, materials suppliers as well. What we don't see is any sharing of that data. There's a tremendous reluctance in the industry to share data across the supply chain. What we hope to do is bring the industry together, use a test bed, such as SUNY-Poly, to identify a proof of concept project that shares data across the industry to derive new learnings that might not otherwise exist through the correlation of data that already is there. But what we really need to focus on is what is the appropriate level of data to be shared? What is the format of the data? Is there a specific equipment interface or exchange standards that can be created across that? The security requirements and so forth that make the data shareable in a supply chain environment.
As well as the use cases.
So
the use cases are going to drive the business performance. It's going to drive the cost elements of the industrial partners to see the value in this shared undertaking that will align the industry's capabilities, align academia's capabilities, and bring government in as a co-investor, which they have done for the AMP Center, and we believe will continue to do so into the future.
And the beauty of the partnership between SUNY and SEMI is bringing the facility together with the tools, together with the extended supply chain to evaluate those processes and create the new learnings.